Welcome to the Oracle CX for Manufacturing Business to Consumer Solution Demonstration. We start our customer experience transformation journey within marketing. Meet Mark, Head of Marketing for PowerGen Power. He is always looking for ways to gain new customers and grow revenue. Mark reviews recommended campaigns from Adaptive Intelligence, which has reviewed PowerGen's past campaign performance, trends, and keywords impacting recent sales. From a single dashboard, Mark can review previous campaign outcomes and sales performance and the AI-created campaign. This campaign drives engagement and digital buzz for the upcoming new PowerGen system launch. Mark also reviews the ideal characteristics of the target customer. Prior to campaign launch, Mark collaborates with distributors of PowerGen and creates partner-branded landing pages, blogs, and ads, then releases the campaign. Anna, the manager at AA PowerGen Distribution, reviews the campaign, marketing, and sales assets. She also reviews white space opportunity and territory analysis, making sure she has the properly skilled dealership coverage for these areas. Bill is planning to buy a new home. Bill's realtor recommends a power generator, so he will have uninterrupted power for his parents' medical equipment due to frequent storms in the area. As Bill researches online for backup power options, data is collected about his web behavior and preferences. He sees and clicks on an ad that takes him to PowerGen's blog page. Using his social profile, Bill logs in and reads through the product blog. Liking what he reads, he reposts it to his social network for feedback. Based on his activity, Bill gets added to a multi-channel nurture campaign. As he keeps researching, his customer profile is further completed and a lead is created, scored, and routed to a dealer. Anna is able to review leads distributed to dealers and sees this lead is automatically assigned to Cleveland Power Dealer. Ken, a blended sales and service person from Cleveland Power Dealer, is assigned to the lead. Ken reviews Bill's social profile, digital footprint, and whitespace. Ken offers to meet Bill and provide a free needs assessment the next day at his home. The lead status is updated automatically and logs this meeting as an activity. Mark and Anna can now see the lead is followed up on by Cleveland Power Dealer and all the related activities. The next day, we move into sales transformation. At the meeting, Ken reviews Bill's requirements and conducts a needs analysis. Based on the sizing review, Ken's mobile dealer app recommends Power by the Hour service and reviews the solutions with Bill. Ken is able to price alternatives, provides a financial model that shows the benefit of the Power by the Hour service, and checks product and installation technician availability. Bill requests more time to review the order. Ken generates the solution information and emails a link to a landing page where Bill can finalize the order. After a few days of shopping around, Bill is impressed by what PowerGen and Ken have shown him. He clicks into the landing page, provides payment information for his service subscription, and clicks to sign. Bill receives the confirmation email where he can track the status of his order, see real-time readings and usage of his equipment after installation, participate in customer communities, and get support, all from his new owner page. Ken installs and starts the backup power service at Bill's home. Ken presents the initial service invoice details to Bill on the tablet for his signature. Later that day, Bill receives a customer survey to rate the sales and installation experience. Anna is excited about the success of this new campaign and decides to run the same for other customers of AA PowerGen. Anna posts a landing page, a blog, and ads. She then launches her own campaign and makes these branded assets available to dealer contacts. 6 months later, we review the role of connected service. Ken receives a notification that Bill's generator has a loose ground wire. Ken logs into PowerGen's distributor app and reviews Bill's Asset 360, where he sees the service request with a recommendation for a mount replacement. This request is covered under warranty, and the work authorization has already been approved by PowerGen. Bill gets notified of the issue and selects a convenient time for a technician to visit. The service optimization process sees Bill lives close to another customer scheduled for a preventative maintenance job and schedules Bill on the same day. Bill is very happy with the entire experience and the personalized care he received and posts this to his social media pages. Anna promotes Bill's social post and sends him a thank you email with a link to get a free PowerGen emergency kit and refer his family and friends to the PowerGen Community Program. Oracle is uniquely positioned to provide enterprises with an innovation platform to support their transformation. We have unique competitive advantages unmatched by other vendors. We summarize these advantages under 3 key terms. Connected data. Oracle's comprehensive business solutions uniquely connect customer, partner, employee, supply chain, and core business data. Connected experiences. Oracle's end-to-end CX Cloud Suite powers personalized, seamless, and immediate experiences that connect businesses to their partners and customers. Connected intelligence. Oracle's powerful experience delivery and innovation capabilities, like adaptive intelligence for CX, provide unmatched customer engagement and business results. Powered by Oracle CX Cloud Suite.